Watch the rise. So you grab your frozen strawberries. This one's cool. Okay, you drop that in there. Now you come behind that with a little bit of white rum. Oh yes, Lord. White rum. Amen. Do it. It's the Church of Tipsy. Then we hit it with a little bit of coconut rum. A little bit of Malibu.
Whoa.
Now just because that got so much booze in it, I mean, because that, you know, the frozen strawberries was going to be act as the ice, but I put in so much, I need to add in a little bit more ice just to make this work. Ice! Okay, that's the first part. What's your name? What's your name? So, but right there, right? Now we go on to part 2. We get a banana, okay? Because this is a nutritious drink. Fruits and vegetables, guys, okay? Make you feel better. Banana time, man! We come behind the banana with some cream of coconut. This is how you make a pina colada, okay? Kind of, without the banana. We want about 2 ounces of that. So this is a very sweet drink. So don't come to me complaining. Now we'll come behind that with our pineapple juice, okay? Oh yeah. What a good 2 ounces. You're right, because no alcohol in this. Grab our blender. Watch your banana in there. As you do this, you need this to be kind of watery, okay? Not watery, but I mean like really softer than this. Because when I pour this is going to add as much booze as you need to make this part soft, okay? Like very soft. Because this needs to be heavy enough to just rest on that and just drop in. You see? We coming behind with our little garnish. It's dull already. Who dulled my knife? Put a little garnish on this. Bango. Bango. See that though? You could see it going. You could see it's down in the sides.
Is this the same as a Miami Vice?
No. And there you have it, homeboy. The lava flow. Delicious, fun, super cool 2 layers. Remember, soft at the bottom, a little harder at the top, okay? As always, drink responsibly. Do not drink and drive. So I'm going to pour one more. A little bit in this one, but this may be enough. Okay, you see how soft that is? Watch the rise. Did it kind of work?
No, it's the exact same.
No, but it kind of did. You can see it down here, you see? Where it comes through. Super cool. Later!